Come on, friends. Let's learn English with Bunty and Bobbly. Good morning, Bunty. Good morning, Bobbly. Are you ready for school? Yes, I am. What is in your school bag? My books are in my bag. Where is your lunchbox? It is in my bag. Come quickly! Our school bus is here. Let's get on the bus. Okay, let's go! Wow! Look! Our school is here! This is our school. Yes! Let's go inside. Let's go to our classroom. Yes, let's go. May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in. Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Open your books, please.
Okay, ma'am. May I drink some water, ma'am?
Yes, you may.
May I go to the toilet, ma'am?
Yes, you may.
Can I sharpen my pencil, ma'am?
Yes, you can. Class is over. See you tomorrow, children.
See you tomorrow, ma'am. See you next time.